Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome dear heart. Begin by settling your body into a comfortable position. Allow your eyes to close gently. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a soft breath out through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm, unforced, steady. And as you breathe, notice that your body already knows how to begin softening. You do not need to force it. You are simply allowing it. Feel the ground beneath you, holding you, supporting you, without effort, without expectation. Bring awareness to your face. Soften your forehead. Release the space between your brows. Let your eyes rest heavy. Relax your jaw. Allow your tongue to drop. Now let this softness move down into your neck, your shoulders. Allow your shoulders to drop naturally, as if something has been gently lifted from you. Let your arms grow heavy, your hands unclench. Bring awareness to your chest. Notice your heart beating without effort. Now soften your abdomen. Let your belly expand gently as you inhale and soften as you exhale. Expanding as you inhale, softening as you exhale. Allow your hips to relax, your legs to grow heavy, your feet, your toes soften, your whole body supported. We begin a gentle rhythm with the breath. We inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Inhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this pattern. With each cycle, allow your body to settle a little bit deeper. With each exhale, release unnecessary effort. Slowly let go of this breath and return to your natural rhythm. Soft inhales, soft exhales. Allowing yourself to land back into the natural rhythm of your own breath. I'll count you down slowly from 10 to 1. With each number, allow yourself to drift deeper. 10, softening the whole surface of the body. 9, letting go of outer awareness. 8, drifting inward. 7, the body becoming heavier. 6, supported, safe. 5, deeper now. 4, the mind quieting. 3, slower, softer. 2, almost floating. 1, deeply settled. Bring your awareness to your lower belly, to your center. Place your hand there if it feels comfortable, and breathe into this space, your warm space. Soft inhale, expanding. Slow exhale, softening. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, softening. This is a place of rhythm, a place of creation, a place of quiet intelligence. And as you breathe here, you may begin to sense that your body is not static. It moves in cycles. There are times of energy, of openness, and there are times of rest, of inwardness. Both are natural, both are necessary. Both are part of how you were created. You are created with balance. Nothing within you is random. Every shift, every rise, every fall exists within divine knowledge. Allah is the best of planners. And as this settles, you may begin to release the pressure to always be the same, to always be at your peak, because Allah created you not to be constant. He created you to move in rhythm. Now gently allow this truth to form within you. My body is created with wisdom. Repeating internally, my body is created with wisdom. I trust the timing unfolding within me. I trust the timing unfolding within me. Because what is meant for you will not miss you, and what leaves was never meant to stay. Now imagine yourself moving through your life, through your days, in alignment with this rhythm. When energy rises, you move with it, without forcing more. When energy lowers, you soften, without guilt, without resistance. You begin to trust that even in rest you are still supported. Even in rest you are full. Even in rest, you are whole. Even in stillness, you are still held. Even in slowing down, you are still guided. Now bring both hands to your lower belly and breathe deeply. Allow yourself to receive rest, receive softness, receive stillness. You do not always have to give. You are allowed to receive. And in receiving, you are restored. Slowly beginning to deepen your breath. Bring gentle movement to your fingers, your toes. Let this anchor stay within you. I trust my body. I trust my rhythm. I trust the one who created me. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Alhamdulillah.